Listen, we're going to roll right into our next speaker, and I have to tell you, I'm really pumped for this next speaker. I know you guys are. I know you love Ace, yeah? That's what I'm talking about! Yeah, Ace, man. So I was just back there catching up with her, getting to know her a little bit. You realize she got started in network marketing at the age of 17? Can you imagine being 17? At 17 years old, I don't even know. I don't even want to go where I was at 17. But at 17, she got going in network marketing and then spent the next 20 years struggling. 20 years. Can you imagine that? What's pretty cool, though, she's a single mom at the time, right? Turned around and started a YouTube channel where it was basically like a talk show. And she would invite all these like business people, like smart dudes and women coming out there, interviewing them, getting a lot of traction, getting like subscribers, hundreds of subscribers on her YouTube channel, started to get well known, started to get invited on other people's podcasts. You see a trend here? Yeah. Starting from her son's nursery. Yeah. She didn't have a studio. She didn't have a big production team. She just went on, she smiled, she brought her light, her magic, her energy, and the rest was history. And now she's one of the top, she is the #1 all-time top earner here in San, and one of the best leaders that I've met here. Somebody I totally love. I know you guys love her as well. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to get up and we're going to get rowdy for Ace, all right? You ready? Let's get it up. Let's get up for Ace Guzman. That's what I'm talking about.
All right. Oh, shit. Wow, guys, I'm so excited to be here with you today. I had a little couple of nerves, but that dinner, though, was good, though. I like that lunch. That was good. I have a confession to make to y'all. When he did the introduction, he said Ace Guzman. Did he say that? Yeah. I don't see no ring on this finger yet. So everybody better say something to Rich before I start rocking the Guzman name. But I'm really pumped and really excited that you guys made a commitment to be here today, because this is not for Super Affiliate Network. This is for you. You guys are supposed to be here today because it's for you, okay? Now, I'm going to take you back 7 years ago. And it gives me jitters to talk about this because it's pain. It's suffering. It's struggle. And I can't glamorize it, okay? But do I have a thing here to turn my slides? Where is it? Oh, okay, thank you. Matter of fact, I got some water too. So I'm gonna need some of it for this one. Okay, here we go. This is the thingamajig. And then what button do I push on it? Oh, the green button. Just like when y'all push the green button when you say get access now. So I'm going to take you back to a time where I was a single mother. And I was a broke, unemployed single mother living in New Jersey with my parents, Elizabeth and Miguel. And at that time, I was a distributor with a network marketing company. Don't worry, I won't say any company names. But it begins with the capital M and ends with Luca. So, mind you, I never been coached by anyone. But I made a way to get away from all the chaos and distractions from the household that I was living in. And I started going to my local library to start looking up books on network marketing and direct sales. That's what I did to get out of my element. Can you imagine having to host a home party for your MLM in that neighborhood? This is one of the most crime-infested and dangerous neighborhoods I grew up in. And I had to do a presentation in that. Okay? But I didn't care because I was hungry and I didn't give a shit what was happening. I didn't care about the look of it, the feel of it, and although I was scared, I was hungry still, and I did my job. I went out there as a distributor, did my presentation. But, you know, I even brought my upline, who is a corporate director, to one of my product demos just for some support. And check this out. He said to me, Anastasia, I'm glad I did not drive here in the Mercedes. Don't ask me to come to one of these again. I was like, oh shit, I done scared the hell out of my upline. I'm not gonna get no support now. I had to think about how to do things a little differently. So I got creative. And I started recording videos from my laptop. I took the rocking chair in my son's nursery room, and I started my own branded YouTube channel called The A. Haldry Show. Some of y'all know it, some of y'all don't. It's the first time y'all heard this story. I developed a following and networked with so many amazing people in the network marketing space that I was requested to co-host several blog talk radio shows. And I started interviewing celebrity bloggers and network marketers from other companies. So what did you think that did for me? It got me free coaching. So when you guys get an opportunity to interview somebody who is higher than you and successful, I'd say yes, take that opportunity, because then you'll get an advantage because you couldn't pay for the coaching, but you got them to get interviewed and now you can ask them questions. Now, although I didn't get paid much for any of this, I focused more on promotion and building up my own personal brand as the A. Haldry Show and building up my own audience. And I built up my brand as the ace of social networking, and I did it within the network marketing space. And I guess you could say that I created my own internship into internet marketing. In 2010, I was introduced to a successful internet marketer named Rich Guzman. And when I gave him the opportunity to come down to meet me, he came to New Jersey, and we met up in New Jersey. It was love at first sight. But not just for me, my son.